Hello, welcome back to my channel. A lot have happened in Power BI and Excel world in the last period. I didn't record any videos for some time, and today I decided to share at least this new update with you. Couple of months ago, Microsoft Power BI announced integration of Power BI with PowerPoint. Another great feature from Power BI. Gets better and better. In this video, you will learn how to incorporate interactive content in your PowerPoint presentations.
Let's see how you can incorporate dynamic experience in your PowerPoint files. I have PowerPoint open. On the second page, you can see visuals here, a column chart and a matrix. These visuals are not static, they are interactive. This column chart shows net sales by country. If I want to show cost of sales instead of net sales, I will just make the selection here. Or if I want to show them both, then it is also very easily possible. If instead of the country, let's move to net sales, I want to show sales by group or by assortment, I will make the selection directly on this slide. The same for the year, to choose the year that I want. And if I choose the column in this chart, the specific country, the matrix will show the details for this country. Well, we have Power BI experience here. These visuals are coming from Power BI service Power BI Online. And let's see now how it is done. Open Power BI Online app and find the report that you want to integrate in your presentation. If you don't know how to publish Power BI desktop reports in your Power BI service, please watch my another video about this topic. If you are not signed in Power BI, it will ask you to do that. Sign in with your work or school account. When you are in Power BI service, go to the report that you published and that you want to integrate in your presentation. Go to the type report, not to dataset or dashboard. Then click on the share. Here you see the options. Here's the option directly to show it in PowerPoint, but I prefer this option. Click on the copy link and then copy. After this, you will go back to the PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, choose the slide where you want to show visuals. Then go to the Insert tab and you will see Power BI here. Click on that. Wait a bit. And then paste the URL here. So Ctrl V, Insert. Will take a bit of time loading, and it is here. Let's jump here with filters a bit that we see that everything was loaded. And yeah, we have the visuals. Make this bigger to the full side, otherwise for the presentation it won't be very readable. Here it is. Now you have the interactive experience directly in your presentation. When you make changes in your Power BI service report and open your PPT file later, changes will be automatically there. If you want to refresh visuals when your PPT is open, click on Data Options here and then refresh it. If you want to show other visuals, click on Add-in option, then clear data and paste a new URL. In this way, you don't have to copy and paste several visuals in your PowerPoint presentation. Just incorporate the Power BI URL in it and you will have one slide showing information with different angles. So you just learned that with Power BI experience, you can have less slides in your presentation and still give a lot of information.